Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Nova 8i and let me show you how to turn on and off camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to slide a little bit to general category. Here at the second position we have horizontal level option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera leveler. Now let me keep it turned on, and when we move back to the camera we get access to this line in the preview. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And as you can see, this is how it works. Of course, when we don't need it, we have to simply move back to right corner settings and turn it off here with horizontal leveler. So for now in the preview, the leveler has gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.